Hey, what's up guys? It's Vibhu and this is kind of my first tutorial, so please forgive me if I make any mistakes. Okay, so this tutorial is basically about how to make realistic hairstyles for our fashion illustrations. So I decided to make two parts of this video which I'll be posting today, and the second part will be next week, I guess. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So the step one is stroke exercise, which is very important when you're drawing the hairstyles because like we need to have proper knowledge of strokes. It's a basic thing. Like if you know these things, like you can skip this part and go to the second part straight away, or you can watch this. So all we need to do is draw straight and wavy lines very close to each other to make our hands very steady. So next step is gradient. So in this step we are going to give strokes from both left to right side, leaving some part in the center and merge it well so the lines aren't too harsh. So what we'll do, we'll just make two boxes, two rectangle boxes, square, anything you can say, or we'll start with the left side and start giving the strokes to the center, and then we are starting that from the right side to the center. And now we're just going to merge these lines so that it doesn't look very harsh, as I told you in the first step. So merging is very important when you're doing the hairstyles because it gives a very realistic look, and you need to know the lighter and darker part of the gradient so that the hairstyle actually look very nice. So we'll just fast forward this part because it's not that important, I guess, all it is. Okay, so the best part is step 3. Yes, we're back to the step 3. So in this part we're basically learning how to make basic hairstyles like straight, curly, wavy and braids. I love braids. Okay, so I'm making mistakes, a lot of mistakes. Okay, so as I actually asked for forgiveness in the start, so please forgive me again if I make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so it had to be curly, not curvy. Okay, so yeah, that hair is curvy and it likes it. So we'll start with a straight hair and we're just going to draw a leaf-like structure because honestly straight hair aren't pin straight. They have a little wavy, like it's a natural hairstyle, so I'm just writing it straight. I guess I'm not right or wrong. So I'm just going to start giving these strokes from the left side and then the right side, and then I'm going to merge them in the center. Yeah, it looks nice. So you can also draw guidelines if you don't have any, if you have any problem with that. And now we're just going to start with the baby hair. All I'm drawing is a snake-like structure. Snake-like? Yes, snake-like structure. And then just giving some details to give a proper structure to the wavy hairstyle. See, the part that you need to learn in a tutorial is basically the stroke. If you are good with the stroke, or you are good with the stroke with pencils, you can draw it with staplers or any watercolor uh, like medium as well. It's not a problem. So I'll just start the process again of strokes. Yeah, this tutorial is basically all about strokes because I am all about strokes. So I'm just starting that from the top and then from the bottom and then merging it in the center and adding few details. You can add the guidelines as I mentioned before, and because it will help you a lot where the flow of the hair is. So I'm just giving strokes and strokes and strokes again and again and again. Okay, as I had to keep my sheet straight, you can actually turn the sheets, it's not a problem. You can just move it like as you want it to be. You don't have to be like very technical in this part. And I won't say that I'm really correct in this part. It's my way of drawing hair, and I guess I'm following that from the first day I started. So now I'm just adding few details like shadows and everything. It's the best part, I would say. So the next hair type, okay, I'm giving some details right now. Yes. So basically you need to know where the flow of the hair is, and that will help you a lot while making the hairstyles, any hairstyles you want. So next hairstyle we are working on the curly hair, not curvy, yes. So what we'll do is we're just going to repeat the wavy hairstyle again, but in a smaller way, like it's basically a miniature of the wavy hair. And just repeating that wavy step again, like just giving the details and then adding the strokes and then adding the shadows. That's it. You just have to repeat the same wavy hair step again. Okay, strokes and shadows, strokes and shadows. That's all you have to give. I personally don't like making the curly hair because like it takes a lot of time and you have to do like a lot of you need to have a lot of patience to make that. Okay, so then my favorite, that's a braid. Yes. So all we have to do is just draw a zigzag line from up to down, and then I'm adding two guidelines. So it's basically like you have to follow the realistic hairstyles, like it will be broader to the top and then narrower to the bottom of the hairstyles, and then you have to make the tail. So I'm just extending the lines of zigzag and touching that to the guidelines, and then just giving a bit details with adding curves to the sides of the hair braid, and so that it actually looks like a real braid and not cartoonish. Now we're just making the tail, and then we're just going to erase the guidelines so that the braid looks final. No, it's not final right now. We have to add the strokes and shadows. Honestly, I love the braid. Like, I love making the braids. It looks like the moment I had the like best way to make a braid, I was like I wanted to make braids only. Like I used to make the crown braids and the normal braids, the Elsa braid and the Rapunzel braid. I love making the braids. So we're just going to give the strokes again and again and again and again. Okay, I'll just fast forward this step because it will take a lot of time if I want. So we'll just fast forward it. So guys, this was my tutorial for the part 1. I hope that you'll learn from this and you wait for the second part, because it will be here very soon, where I'll be teaching like how I actually make my own hairstyles, like the on my illustration of mine. I don't know how to make hairstyles. So I will be posting videos on weekly basis, and because I have exams from next month, so obviously weekly basis only. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked it and if you learned something from this, and please like and share. And also if you want to follow my work, you can always just go back to Instagram and keep watching. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.